Hi guys, welcome back to the ALSHE project. This project that was the integration between Advanced Locomotion System version 4 and Horror Engine, but now is much more. This is a version prior to or pre-June because I noticed that there's a lot of patrons that are leaving this month. So in in return to the support, I would like to raise this version. It is not finished. It is not fully tested, but it includes a few things that I believe are good to have. So, in example, I will try to detail a few of them. In example, these spawn that are the spawner use that I sent a video I showed in a video a few days ago. These um, can be activated. In example, this is a spawner that is spawning uh, 10 zombies. In example, with this Mixamo zombie melee attack. Um, this is auto activate. Auto activate means that it will spawn the actors as soon as the game starts. In example, if you don't put the auto activate, you need to activate it by an event, by a horror event. In example, this one, if you pick it up, let's go to the horror events. So if you take it, it will activate with an open on. This one, that is the actor, is the spawner use. That is this one. Okay. Also, a new modification for this is it also includes the now horror event as well. So let's say this in example, this specific one in example is spawning 10 zombies as well when a specific event is happening that is opening this door. Okay, it is spawning these uh, zombies, let's say, but now the difference is when all the zombies, with all the actors that has been spawned by this actor are dead, you finish all of them, so then it will trigger an unlock. It will be unlocked. So with this, in example, you can make I don't know, some kind of game where you are receiving 10 zombies, and then after these 10 zombies you can have another wave of another 10. Or in this case, in example, when you have finished this level, in example, you pick up or pick it up all the keys and everything to reach here. Whenever you uh, kill all the zombies that is spawning here, it will spawn two bosses or a very simple. Um, Let me show you. This is the horror event in environment. It will activate, or it will open or activate all the lights and activate another spawner that I put in there. That is the Horde spawner U6. That I believe is this one that is spawning two zombies bosses that I did very simple ones. That's it. Another or the differences from this in this version are the Molotov fire. Let's say this is let's say an explosive um, physic object or physic actor that you can pick up and also you can shoot to it and you can explode it. It has a it has settings, some settings in here that you can see. The setting for the explosive. It has a health. That is when it will explode. At the half of the health, it will trigger the half dead. That, in example, in this specific actor is spawning um, particles. Let's say like if it is a gas flame, something like this, and have some lights, and then explode. Um, if you wish an example to explode automatically after a few seconds when it is damaged, let's say that you damage and it has the gas flame and you want it to explode in 10 seconds after that, so then you need to put 10 in here. If you put 0, it will explode automatically after it is damaged, With -1, it means that you should shoot to it. It will not explode until it is fully damaged. Then after that, I have included this Molotov. I will try to explain a bit this. If some actor is burning, let's say it's burning, and another actor is collides with it or start overlapping it, it will start burning as well. It's the same in here. It has a radius. If this explodes, it will create a damage in this area, but if this damage that is creating in this area is not killing the actor that is being affected, it will start burning in flames. It is the same in here. Also, you need to be careful because the main actor can also burn. So I will try to play a bit with it. Let me go to the mixer and try to put this quite low. Let's try. Also, you can notice that I have changed the color of the cursor because with the flashlight it was pretty difficult to see the cursor. Now it is also visible with the flashlight. That is really good. It is one of the bugs I raised to Trello. I will show you in a bit. See, this zombie started burning because it explodes. So let's say if you only hit once, also the not sound is get some ammo that I forgot. So the computer is cranking a bit. Also, if it is a physical object, you can grab it and place it in somewhere, anywhere. So this is the new one, the new thing that is the Molotov. This is the letter that we had also before with the code. So you see that all the fire were propagated to all the guys that touch the one that is running. Now they are all propagating, and also this one got affected and explodes. You can see that a lot of people there. There's still fire in there. If we are not if we are not careful, yeah, this happens. So, well, it was a gas bottle inside, and it explodes. So whenever all are dead, now it triggers the spawn for the bosses, and they are. Okay, so this, I believe you have an idea of what is included in this version. Now let's go to Trello to see what are the bugs that have been visible, that have been fixed. Sorry, the icon not visible on flashlight. Was I mentioned it? I fixed it by changing the icons color to a more visible one. Also, you can play a bit because it is how I did it. It is in main USD. So I prepared this to in case you want to change it with when flashlight or when it is normal. I created this normal one icon tint. I got it is the here in the select use icon. I only put the icon tint in each make select brush. If you want to use different, the only thing that you need to do is to make icon tint the one that you wish. So let's say when it's normal, create the icon tint or make icon tint equal to that. Another motion animation are cut when stopping. Yes, this. Let me close a few ones here. Not this one. One example. This well. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to go to a different level with a bit more light. Let's go in example to the cars one. To the car test, so you will be able to see it properly. Okay, so here, if I play now an example, you see how it is stopping now, right? I will put some example Molotov or grenades here. I go to ammo. Okay, so now we have this Molotov. Now, whenever you change, you launch it, you can move it, and it is not a problem at all. What it was happening before is with this. Let me go to MetaHumans, Kevin, animations. Let's go to the AnimVP. Yes. Here we have these anim notifiers for the stop. If you connect them, it is applying some weights whenever the character has stopped moving. This is the only thing that is doing is let's say this that is doing with the hips. I don't know if I like. I prefer the other way that is stopping and that's it. I don't like too much this, and also this what is causing this is it is stopping all the current animations. So I will say I can prepare this in the way that I can put this montage can be stopped or can be interrupted or not, and then depending on the boolean it will play this animation or not. But I don't think I have missed too much removing it, so it will be up to you. For example, if I try to now to and I stop, you see it is cutting the animation. And it is quite disgusting, let's say. And let's say I will show you now what is the difference. So between this that is always stopping. I don't know if I don't like it, to be honest. But it will be depending on you. It is between this and this. See, stopping and that's it. I don't know you, but I prefer this. I prefer this. I don't like the character doing this with the hips, to be honest. But if you prefer that, I can work on the trying not to interrupt anything. Now I have not the problem to, for example, launch and stop. You can move up and down. Will not be any problem at all. I want these guys to bend. Cool. Ah, also I forgot. I forgot completely. Let me add here some grenades because this is something new as well. So we have here the Molotov, and let's add some grenades as well. Okay. So now you have the grenades. You pick grenades, the first it will appear the grenades, you saw it, and then Molotovs. So I say that with the arrow keys, you can select the one that you want to throw. You see that is changing from grenades to Molotov. It is left arrow or right arrow. Also, if in example, if I playing with Molotovs, there are now 5. And you throw all of them, it will change automatically to grenades. Also, if you, as I said, if you pick first the Molotovs instead of the grenades, it will go directly to Molotovs. Then you can pick grenades. And you can select between both of them. This configuration, it is here in input, like always. It should be the latest ones. It is next throwable and previous throwable. You can select the key that you want, and right and left are the arrow keys, so you can put anything that you wish. As for everything, that's it. I believe there is no more. Let's check Trello. This was integrated for the last time, so that's it. I only wanted to release this version because I believe it is including some cool things. Also, the not cutting the throwing the grenades or anything, and also the spawners now are triggering horror events. It is something that maybe probably you will take some advantage of it. So that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for the support, and I hope you came back at some point during the life of the project. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye.